Christy's gonna be a good popper today. I know it. Last time, what'd you do? Popped off like you pop like what type of cracker would you say you were? What cracker do you sound like? A wheat thin?
Yeah. Or a Ritz.
A Ritz. That's a good one too. She sounded like a Ritz cracker last time. Oh, it's gonna be a good one today. She just had a nice massage too. I gotcha. Nice and easy. Good.
Oh,
Oh. We called that one.
that was good.
We did call that one. I gotcha. Nice and easy. Good.
Oh
My gosh, that was like a machine gun.
Oh, that was so good.
That was like 10 Ritz crackers right there. Whole package. Dang, that was so good. That was so deep. I gotcha. Good. There we go.
Woo! You tricked me.
I did. Kind of tenses up, so you kind of like mess with her a little bit. There we go. I won't drop you. Here we go. Nice and easy. There we go. Nice. 2 for 1. Let's get you. I gotcha. Here we go. There we go. Nicely done.